Hello friends, I'm Parviz and this is our 16th video in Tkinter GUI application development. In the last video we have covered about message boxes, and we have mentioned that there are three kind of message boxes in Tkinter. We have error message box, warning message box, and also info message box. That one by one I showed you. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make multi-choice box in Tkinter. Okay. I have made a new Python file. Also, I'm going to copy my window code and paste it in here, and just I'm going to change the title to Python Tkinter multi-choice box. Okay. Now, like previous video, I'm going to create a new button div button I call it, and self.btn. Also, you need to import from Tkinter import ttk, and also from Tkinter import message box as message. Okay, now ttk.button self, and the text is open multi-choice box like this, and also we are going to create this self.btn self.btn.grade column 0 and row 0. Now call your button. Let me run this. Now I have a button here. Okay. Now we are going to create our choice box. Div choice box. I'm going to make a variable at answer message dot ask yes no cancel. It needs some parameter. The first one is the title. I give it multi-choice box. Another one is the text. Are you sure to quit? Okay, now I'm going to make a if condition. If answer is true, then we are going to quit the application. Okay, now in here in the button you give a comment self.choice box. Now this is our complete code like this, and let me run this. Okay, if I click on open multi-choice box, you can see are you sure to quit? If I click on yes, it will quit, and if I run it again, if I click on no, it is no. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos don't forget subscription of my channel.